Thank you for choosing JVR Industries. Today we're going to go over how to replace your seal bar tape on your seal bar assembly. A couple of reasons why you might want to get this changed is because maybe you burnt your seal bar tape, maybe the heat strip broke on you, maybe the vacuum pouches, the chamber vacuum pouches, or the vac pouch is sticking to the bar and not releasing like it used to. At that point, I would change your seal bar tape. First, we're going to start by removing the bag clips with our number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Okay, now that the bag clips are removed, it's time to remove the seal bar tape. Simply just peel back on the seal bar tape, and it's likely going to leave that adhesive on the seal bar. That is totally fine. Once you peel this off, hold on to the previous seal bar tape as a template. And let's start applying a new one. So just pull off the backing strips and line it up roughly to where the seal bar tape was before. Remove this backing strip. Okay, now pull nice and taut on this so that it's as tight as can be and that there's no bag in the top. I mean, you're gonna get some bag. It's kind of inevitable, but the tighter, the better. Okay, now that the seal bar tape is applied to your seal bar assembly or retort bar assembly, feel free to use that template to find those holes. Just line it up roughly where it was, and you should be able to poke the holes right through, no problem. Okay, now that the holes are poked, you can reapply your bag clips. Now the bag clips are put back on your seal bar assembly, and you should be all set to go. Thank you again for watching JVR Industries YouTube channel. Feel free to subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified when new videos are popping up.